Hi, everybody. Welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we hope to inspire and empower you to live your best life. On this channel, we talk about travel and food and fun and shopping and handbags and home decor, a little bit of everything here. So, if you're here for those things, that's fantastic. Or if you're just here for a good laugh, you've definitely come to the right place. Today we're going to be discussing this beautiful bag that I got from this company called TheHorse. They're located in Australia, and we're going to be doing a 30-day review of this bag. So before we get into the review, I just ask that you click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel, as well as notifying you of when we upload more content. Thank you for sticking around for this review. Hi everybody. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful bag. It's the Clementine Bag from this wonderful company located in Australia named TheHorse. I ordered this bag. A little backstory is I ordered this bag in September. I received it in November because it was so popular. It was on back order, and it was definitely worth the wait. It is a beautiful pebbled leather. It's embossed with the company name here. It's very minimal in design in the sense that it's a very structured bag, and it transitions perfectly from day to night. This bag comes with a detachable detachable strap that, once connected, allows you to wear the bag as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And because it comes with 3 adjustments on each side. The bag itself is very, very well made. It has a magnet closure that can be opened and closed with one hand. It has pebbled raised feet on the bottom, the same leather that's on the bag. And because it is a pebbled leather, if it does rub against something, you're not going to see the scratch marks in the leather. It is absolutely gorgeous. I call this my magical bag because I can fit so much into this bag, and you don't have to worry about items spilling out. So the bag itself is very large on the inside, and I do carry my day-to-day items, my makeup items and ink pens and things in a zippered bag because I don't want them to spill inside the bag. But one of the bags I had glitter in it, so it has the pocket that goes across the back of the bag, and then you also have another pocket that's a zippered pocket here. Okay, the bag itself is very large on the inside, and you see the glitter from my last bag. So what I'm going to do now is show y'all what I put in this bag and what I carry in it. So I typically carry, like I said, a makeup bag. So I've transitioned from the glitter, the pink glitter, to the green leather. I carry my wallet. I also carry a phone. I carry a backup charger because if I want to film content, I want to know that I have enough power there to do so. I carry my Bose earphones. These things go with me everywhere. I've had them forever, and I love them. I always carry a compact. Don't have to worry about spillage with this one, but I carry that to keep the shine off my nose. Tissues. Thank you, Mom. Hand lotion. I keep sanitizer. Yeah, you still have, there's still germs out here, y'all. COVID is over, but we still have to make sure that we keep our hands sanitary. And my keys, right? Now, with all of those things in this bag, I'll show you, there's still a ton of room in here, right? So during the holidays when I was out and about at the mall, this bag was fantastic. It was easy to get in and out of with one hand. I didn't have to worry about anything spilling because this is why I call it the magic bag. You can turn it upside downwards and you don't have to worry about your items falling out. I had this, in my car. I usually put my purse on the passenger seat, and having it in the passenger seat, you don't have to worry about if it falls over, your items rolling underneath your seat and you having to scurry and get them. No, this bag was fantastic for that. So I absolutely love it. I do give it a thumbs up. Let's just talk about the pros and cons of the bag. Pros, it's definitely in rotation. The leather is absolutely gorgeous. It's convertible. You can wear it, like I said, 3 ways, either as a clutch, a crossbody, or a shoulder bag. The fact that you can carry so many items in this bag and it still has that beautiful slouch that we love. It's got raised feet on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it sitting directly on a surface. It does offer protection there. And the fact that you don't have to worry about your items falling out is, I think that seals the deal as this bag is for me. Cons, I really couldn't come up with any. I did see another reviewer say that the fact that this flap is longer than the other flap underneath. To me, I don't really care about that. I think that it's necessary to have that flap so you have the security of the bag and you don't have the spillage. If the flaps were the same size, the bag may not be as functional and secure. So I don't really have a con for it. The price point is around, I think it's like $208. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. I have already. I ordered this bag in black for my younger daughter for Christmas. I ordered it in black with the silver hardware. And when she opened it, I was jealous, y'all. Yes, I was. I was jealous. I will be ordering another bag for myself. So I will be ordering either the black with the silver, because I do love black bags. But in the spring, I planned, definitely I'm going to order either the taupe or the green, because the green is absolutely gorgeous and I think it's going to be so pretty for spring and summer of this year. So that is my review on the Clementine bag from TheHorse. And if you have an opportunity to buy this bag, please buy it because it's definitely worth the money. It's very functional. It's hard working. It's the leather, like I said, is gorgeous. And yeah, so thank you for supporting this channel today by listening to this review. So I just ask at this time if you could click on like and subscribe, because that helps us to grow this channel, and it also helps you to become informed of when we are posting new content. You'll get those notifications. So until next time, thank you for supporting us. Take care of yourself, and peace.